99% of Android users don't know this secret I'm about to show you. This secret I'm about to show you, you have to listen very carefully and follow the instruction, the step-by-step guide about this secret. So, like for example, if you're focusing on something on your phone, and you at times you will be seeing notification from Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, and they are very disgusting. They will be disturbing you. You are doing something important, but the notification will be popping up, will be disturbing your life. So the best way to stop it, that is what I'm trying to show you in this video. So please, if you have just coming to this channel, please try and subscribe, like this video, and comment on what you didn't understand. So if you don't want to be disturbed with notification from different social apps, something like Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube, you don't want to be disturbed about with their notification and everything on your notification bar. This is the best thing for you to do. First of all, you drag your screen down, you drag it down so that all this interface will show. Then you now scroll, look for focus mode. Look for focus mode. See focus mode here. If you are anybody that have Android, he must have this focus mode on the bar at the upper side there. So what you need to do is just click on focus mode. As I click it like this, so look at it now. They say pause distracting apps when you need time to focus. That is that time that you need to focus on something, or maybe you are reading something online, or maybe you are playing something online, or maybe you are trying to do something online, but notification from all these apps you are seeing below, they will not be distracting you from different notification. So they say pause distracting apps when you need time to focus. So what you need to do here now, down here you see set schedule, or you see turn on now. So here they now say select distracting apps. So what you need to do is just click, let's say, let me select like Facebook, let me select YouTube, let me select WhatsApp. So if you have any application among in your phone that is distracting you, will see the application here. You'll see it in the list here. Then you just click select. So the next thing for you to do now is to turn on now. When you turn on now like this, now when you turn it on now like this, so after turning it on now, then you go back to whatever you are doing, or you are reading book, or you are doing something online. You go back to there. You will no more see any distraction, any notification popping up on your screen. You will not be getting any distraction from all these marked applications here. If this is the first time you are watching this video in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and comment below on anything that you didn't understand, or on anything that you want me to make a video for you to understand. Thank you.